Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best drones in 2019. Now, finding the best drone may be confusing because there are so many options and you don't know which one will be the best for you. So I made this list from my personal opinion and hours of research, and I've included different options for every type of buyer. As always, all the links to the products mentioned in the video will be in the description box down below. And we update the links for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay? So let's get started. In 5th place, we have the Ryze Tello. This is our pick for the best budget drone. This quadcopter is a fun entry-level tech tool which is easy to fly via smartphone or laptop. It is available at around $100. It has a battery life of 13 minutes, so it can stay in the air for that long. It comes with digital image stabilization and shoots decent video at 720p. It has a Wi-Fi range of 100 meters and hovers on the spot even without GPS. It also comes in a compact size with just 80 grams of weight and 98 millimeters at its widest point. Easy to tuck into a jacket pocket even though it's not foldable. As well as, with the app, you can program it to perform a series of maneuvers. This is perfect for beginners who don't have much experience with drones and want a fun learning tool. Some of the pros for this product include easy to fly, affordable price, compact size, and programmable. A con for this product is no GPS. However, for the price it comes with great features. Overall, the Ryze Tello is a wonderful drone for those trying to save money while entering the drone world. If you are looking for the best budget drone, then the Ryze Tello is the best option for you. In 4th place, we have the DJI Spark. This is our pick for the best value drone. It is a palm-sized gesture controllable selfie drone for the masses. It is priced at around $450. DJI wants everyone to be able to fly a drone with their smallest and lightest aircraft yet at 300G. It's a selfie drone with 1080p camera resolution and automated shots, and you can interact with it by just waving your hand. It is also a quadcopter with a short range of 1.2 miles that can be controlled with your smartphone, along with forward obstacle avoidance and subject tracking abilities. As well as, it has a GPS stabilization and safety features, including return to home. This is the company's most approachable drone, making it great for most people. Some of the pros for this product include great value, small size, gesture controls, and excellent features. A con for this product is short flight time. However, with its price and features, it is the best bang for your buck. Overall, the DJI Spark is a spectacular drone for those who don't want to spend too much money yet still want great features. If you want the best value drone, then the DJI Spark is the best option for you. In 3rd place, we have the Parrot Anafi. This is our pick for the best mid-range drone. It is a tiny and lightweight bug-like drone that has impressive photography abilities. It is available at around $600. It can capture 4K UHD video at 60 frames per second and sports real gimbal stabilization. It also has a 180-degree vertical camera, which lets it take photos directly upwards, and a 2.8 times zoomable lens with no image reduction. As well as, it has hyperlapse for moving time-lapse, and follow me mode for tracking your movements to adjust automatically for more photogenic angles. Additional features include a big battery for 25 minutes of flight and USB charging. This is a drone that is ideal for travel with its compact size and 4K capture. Some of the pros for this product include tiny and lightweight size, excellent camera features, and a big battery. A con for this product is no obstacle detection. However, there must be sacrifices for such incredible camera range. Overall, the Parrot Anafi is an excellent drone for those who want amazing photography capabilities at a small size and a reasonable price. If you are looking for the best mid-range drone, then the Parrot Anafi is the best option for you. In 2nd place, we have the DJI Mavic 2 Pro. This is our pick for the best high-end drone. This is the king of drones with all its premium features. It is priced at around $1,500. It is a small and foldable drone that has a large image sensor, which means that it captures stunning images and videos. It has a gimbal-stabilized Hasselblad camera with a 1-inch CMOS sensor for brighter and more detailed pictures. It also has additional modes for capturing photos and videos such as hyperlapse for amazing aerial videos. as well as it is a rock-solid flyer with its battery life of 30 minutes and obstacle avoidance sensors. This is perfect for avid drone users who want to step up their drone game. Some of the pros for this product include compact foldable design, amazing camera abilities, and great battery life. A con for this product is the price. However, that is what we would expect from such a superior drone. Overall, the DJI Mavic 2 Pro is an amazing drone for those who don't mind the price and just want an elite functioning tech tool. If you want the best high-end drone, then the DJI Mavic Pro 2 is the best option for you. And coming in first place, we have the DJI Mavic Air. This is our pick for the best overall drone. It is a portable drone with an abundance of features. It is available at around $750. It is a small and foldable drone weighing just 430 grams, which can fit in backpacks and jacket pockets, but it can still capture steady 4K UHD video at 60 frames per second. It has HDR and panorama still capture, RAW and JPG support, and asteroid video shot. It also flies exceptionally with obstacle avoidance and 21 minutes of flight time. As well as, it is a fast drone that can do neat tricks such as tracking movement subjects, boomerang around them on a pre-coordinated path, and take spherical videos. This is perfect for enthusiasts and pilots alike because of its awesome features. Some of the pros for this product include a reasonable price, portability, stunning photo and video capture, and great flyer. A con for this product is battery life could be better. However, it still packs a lot of tech into a small package. Overall, the DJI Mavic Air is an exceptional drone for those who want the absolute best drone in the market right now. If you are looking for the best overall drone, then the DJI Mavic Air is the best option for you. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.